Tired of your amazing YouTube content getting lost in the algorithm abyss? Let's supercharge your channel's growth. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Google Ads to explode your YouTube channel views and subscriber count. First, head over to Google Ads and sign in or create an account. Click on New Campaign to start your first campaign towards YouTube growth. Now choose brand awareness and reach as your campaign objective. This is perfect for getting your channel noticed. Select video as your campaign type to focus specifically on YouTube promotion and scroll down. Next, click on reach as your campaign subtype. It emphasizes brand awareness and getting videos in front of new viewers. Set your daily budget. The beauty of Google Ads is you can start small and scale up as you see results. I would recommend starting with $10, $20. Now for the magic audience targeting. Define your ideal viewer based on demographics, interests, and even topics they watch on YouTube. Start with a broad audience and then refine based on results. Use keyword targeting to reach viewers searching for content similar to yours. Brainstorm relevant keywords and add these to your campaign. Craft a compelling ad headline and description that grabs attention and entices viewers to click. Include a call to action, like subscribe now. Choose your YouTube video for the ad. Review your settings one last time and launch your campaign now. Keep track of your results using the Google Ads dashboard and refine your targeting and ads as needed.